Good PM. Ngayon po ay Friday, October 4, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, October 4, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong October 4, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Friday, October 4, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 95.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 227 million pesos for October 4, 2024 Friday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Friday, October 4, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.